I'm just trying to decide what I want done next, or just let my hair breathe again, and then. But it's gonna be 90. I feel like I should get some braids instead of getting a doobie.
You look cute regardless.
I know. Thank you.
I know.
I do know. I'm pretty.
I never said you was ugly. You seem like I said that.
No, never. Nobody even believe you. Even with my Meek Mills. What you call it? Queen with teeth for braids.
Meek Mills.
I have a cute face.
You look like a baby.
I know. Told you that's why we want to put on lashes and stuff sometimes. So I look a little older. Like, I'm cute, Daquan. I know this, but. Oh, you recording?
It's not gonna be no bad. You were about the wrong thing.
No, could you just turned and looked at me?
Like, I'm trying to see some. Put this in there. Let me not look at the cups right there.
Like, even when I wore. If you're upset because I'm not saying the responses you want to hear.
She want me to hit cause I get to the cat. You want me to trip, gotta have some clients. Like Michael Vick, running down our path. Running through these trips, if you try to play with the bit pad, Dosky, you know your rap. Who's up is for high, I'll pay him, he's flat. This really gets lazy, I chill with them flats. Duck on the Chevy like 2 times, do it again, I'ma show you on bread. Be coolin' with Savage, he throwing them daddies. He went for the frizzy, he fell for the heads. He fuck with my Oodles up versus your Oodles up. We the ones making it out like a bunch. We still free noodles, trying to make spaghetti. If we catch up, we poppin' like confetti. Get out, look, back against the wall. Clapping it up, they only team up cause they don't wanna go. They hating cause they can do shit, we a fool like now. Right down trying to see what he pumping. Can't get in this function. Been looking the trap house jumping. Bring you BK, I throw my cousin. Thinking my auntie is 10 and ain't nothing. She like the white boy hit. She like how you get on the beat, cause Harry be bugging. Now, we gon' post the Tito's, so we getting at it soon. She throw it around and get haggled, cause he be feeding the dog the pack. Hello, run down tryna see what they pumping. You can't get in this function. Real like in the trap house jumping. Biggie be getting my dome, my cousin. Thinking my auntie is telling ain't nothing. She like the white boy hit. She like how you get on the beat. His hair be bugging. Go, we gon' pull. I'm saying it's a brotherhood. The family. I'm saying ain't nothing bigger than that. Touch a trippy wallet. They don't understand me. How you gonna do what you just did and say you family? They don't understand. They don't understand me. I cut the niggas off, I love to get a Grammy. They don't understand. This shit a brotherhood. I had to get it out the mud, make sure my brother's good. I gave them a dream and they ain't believe me, I'm misunderstood. Gave them cash, I really couldn't. Give your last, you really wouldn't. Self-determined made me move. Stay alive, you really couldn't. At my loss, I grabbed a hoodie. Can't describe the smell this cookie. My career got a lot of push. Out in public, the cameras look. Can't duck with this pile of money. Can't grow with this violence on me. They know it's the fire, I'm only with this brotherhood. I got all this cash on me. You can't put no badge on me. All expensive signs on me. A bad bitch that passed on me. Nigga, I know when fed on me. Don't put that on your dad, homie. Don't put that on your dad, homie. Stop procrastinating. In the trenches, you'll get assassinated. Ain't no age limit to this shit, you would die at your graduation. Police killed another black person, they say he retaliated. This a brotherhood.
Awful.